me. You got me. Now come on, let's go back to the airfield. Push the stick, Michael. We gotta move. Because I found this thing using an app on my phone, which means the private army guarding it can find it pretty easy, too. Ah, you gotta be joking me. Uh-oh. Merryweather boats coming right at us. Frank, take one of those guns and see what you can do about our tail. Right side, man. Get over there. Helicopter on the right with a few more boats. All steady. Here we go. Get down! Shit! Incoming! Right there! Some more Merryweather helicopters! Go, 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 go! More choppers coming from behind us! Swing around! Give me a shot at... Another chopper! Fuck those dudes! Man, I think that's all of them, but... Now, all right, keep on going to the airstrip. What was that, T? I told you, that was Merryweather. Those choppers? And that ain't normal private security guards. Yeah, you're right. I have it on good authority that they're actually a lizard army who've taken human form to do the bidding of the New World Order. I hope you can flip this thing fast. Cause I don't want to see those reptile buddies of yours ever again.
is going fucking crazy!
Oh, and good to see you, too. What's it been, huh? 10 years?
After this, the government won't care how long it's been. They're gonna put you and everyone you ever knew on their kill list. And you! I thought you would be smarter than this.
What'd I do?
Stealing a super weapon to sell to the Chinese!
Damn, T. This some nuke or some shit?
I thought you said you spoke to him.
Yeah, I did. Okay? Kind of. I mean, he was all woozy and shit. It doesn't matter, all right? It's done. We've got it.
Well, we could put it back. You drop it in the sea by the time they get a salvage operation together.
No!
Oh, so you want a drone circling your trailer?
We'll get you another score, Trevor.
You owe me! Wait, get in that chopper. Listen to whatever this fucking moron has to say.
Okay.
All right, and on that note, I'm out of here. You won't be seeing me back here in a long time.
Hey! We need a score. Remember.
Man, I thought I was done not getting paid for these licks.
Hello? Me too! What?
I spoke to Steve. We're ready to move. He wants us to bring the stuff to the guy we met at the interrogation, Devin Weston. Big-time investor, apparently.
I'll let you handle that. Brown nosing the rich was always your talent, and it looks like you spent the last decade honing it. Brother O'Neill.
Fuck you, man!
Whoa, whoa, whoa! You're the guy stealing contracts.
You burnt the farm, killed my brothers!
You had too many brothers. They needed culling.
You're fucking dead!
Aren't we all? We live and we die. That's our curse. Hey, you want to expedite the situation? Come fucking find me. Vespucci Beach, Los Santos, you inbred hillbilly fuck!
I'll be there, man! I don't know when, but I'll be there!
That was close! Details. I just hope that broke your goddamn neck!
Hey, Sam! You have to help me!
Oh, man.
This crazy guy's smacking the shit out of his girlfriend! I don't know what to do! I think he's gonna kill her! Ah!
Move!
Ah! Fuck! Oh!
Crap!
Oh my lord!
You wanna end up in the trunk of this thing? You didn't see my car?
So we really finna do this shit? We finna risk our lives to rob some motherfucking government killers again?
Yep. All right. Listen up. Here's the plan. All right, Trevor.
Yeah.
I want you in this position up here. Okay, you're on lookout. Give me a heads up when the armored car comes by.
Okay, yeah.
I'm gonna be right here, in the garbage truck blocking the roadway. Franklin, you're in the alley, in a tow truck. Hope is they pull right up in front of you. When they do, you come at them hard. Bam.
Shit, here's hoping.
Yeah, after the hit, we blast open the doors, grab up all the cash, bonds, whatever it is, I take it to Haynes' guy.
Saw a little hopeful, homie.
As long as I am not on the ground when the shit goes down.
Okay? When the shit goes down, we'll handle it. You stay up here, on your post, eyes peeled.
Yeah.
Okay? We'll take the risk. Sound cool?
Shit, you the professional, dawg.
And at least we're not wearing clown outfits. There's a plus.
Right. The masks.
What?
Let's see what we got here. Huh?
Real professional.